Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing the Scosche StrikeLine Premium Braided USB-C to USB-C charge and sync cable. Some cables out there are just charge, some are sync. This is charge and sync, and it actually is a tough nylon cable. You can see the nylon braiding right there. This is USB-C to USB-C, so you have a nice cable for your Android, smartphone, laptops, ultra compacts, earbud cases. A lot of products use USB-C, and the newer fast charging devices use USB-C as well. And you can get this product from Scosche. It's PD3X power delivery compatible, so that makes sense for those faster chargers that you can get that do 30, 65 watts. So you want something like this that can handle power delivery 3.0, and it's about 4 feet. You can get them in different lengths as well. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.